Alright, 2010 Toyota Corolla. Want to do the mounts, engine mounts. Alright. I'm going to show you how to replace the front mount. Alright, it's the front at the bottom. This one right here. Right there. 17. $9391. Alright. It's a part number. hope you like the video how to replace front button engine mount on this 2010 Toyota Corolla. Alright, please smash, destroy, shoot the out of the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this vehicle, if it is reliable, if you like it, if you don't like it, but you stuck with it, all that, put in the comment box for me. Alright, shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. I see you in the next one. Holla at your boy Astudo. I'm clocking now. I'm out, D!